Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anil. So today we are going to be learn a very important concepts and a very important topic related to Python programming. So here we are going to be discuss about the Python programmings. Four important things we have to discuss, right? The Python programming first. What is the Python programmings? Afterward we will see why do we require Python programming, and then after we will see what is applications of Python programmings. Afterward we will see the common difference between other programming languages such as Java versus Python programmings, and finally we will conclude. So let's begin our lectures. So hi guys, this is Dr. Anils. So once again I welcome to all, right? So we will learn what is a Python, right? What is a Python? What is a Python? So it's very simple, you know. So here you can see the Python is the world fastest growing programming languages which support MPP. What do you mean by the MPP? MPP stands for multiple programming paradigm. What is this multiple programming paradigm? This is nothing but in other programming language we have learned like it support functions, it also supports structural modeling, it also supports OOPS concepts, and the most important thing is that your Python is nothing but a dynamic typing, and it's also allow a reference count and late binding as well as cross platforms. So this is all about the Pythons. So Pythons is nowadays influenced to multiple sectors. It's why do we require Python? Because Python is used most widely in different sectors, such as it is also applicable in accountant, it is also applicable in the software engineering, it is also applicable in network engineering, it is also used in the accountant, it is also used by the scientists, and it is also used in the data analysis. Even nowadays your kids are also using the Python. So this is all about the Python, right? So Python can be also used in your artificial intelligence and machine learnings. Python can be used for the automation purpose like electronic industries. You can use Python, right? And it is also used in the software engineering field like web applications. It is also used for hackings as well as mobile communications and software testings. So guys, nowadays Python is most widely used multi-purpose programming language which supports like MPP, which stands for multiple programming paradigms, which is functions, structures, OOPS, dynamic typing, reference count, and late bindings. And it also allow different cross platforms such as Linux and your Windows versions, right? So now come to the what is the basic difference between the Python and other languages such as Java and C++. So here Python's allowed dynamic typings, means safety is measured, right? Here it's allow statically typed. Because of Java is statically typed, means safety is measured during the runtime, means it will take more time to develop a particular code. So here Java required more timing to develop any code, but if you talk about the dynamic like Python programming, it required to very less time to code any develop any code. So for that we will take one example. Suppose you take the example of this word. This is the hello world, right? This is your hello world in the Python, and we want to extract these first three letters in the Python. What we have to do? We have to write down the code which is in the form of, because this is the string. So string str in bracket 0 to 3. So we will extract these first three letters or first four letters, right, based on this code. And here what we will write? We will write str dot sub str 0, 3. So here you can see that the code length is very simplest here in the Python, and Java the code length is somewhat bigger. So here we can conclude that Python is a multi-purpose languages. If you see the syntax, it's very simple, and it is also beginner friendly syntax. So hope guys, this lecture will be very helpful for your clearing the doubt. What is Python? Why do we require Pythons? Why we want to learn the Pythons, right? So if you like my channels, or if you like my these concepts, please like it and share it as much as possible. Thank you.